What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons back with another great interview for you guys. Today's guest is a veteran. All right? He actually bought his cleaning business starter kit back in July 2019. A year later, he came on to the YouTube channel right here, did an interview with me. He let us know that he was doing about $7,300 a month. So he decided, I thought it was a good idea, that maybe we should do a Where Are They Now episode where we bring him back on just to check back in on. So I decided let's go ahead and do that. So let's see where he's at today. And please help me welcome Mr. Rashad O'Kelly. What's up, Rashad?
Hey, how you doing, AJ? How you doing?
I'm good,
Thanks
man. I'm good. Yeah, absolutely. So look, let's go ahead and get back into it, man. Go ahead and remind people, for those who don't know, just who you are, where you're from, name of your company, that type of stuff.
My name is Rashad O'Kelly. I'm the Director of Operations of O'Kelly Building Maintenance. I'm from the St. Louis, Missouri. We're the On Fire St. Louis Cardinals, where we just won 17 in a row last night.
That's what's up.
I specialize in commercial cleaning. I got into the residential this past year. So
okay. All right, cool, man. Well, I appreciate that. Welcome. So you know what everybody probably want to know, right? So we're gonna jump right into it. You was a 7,300 last time we spoke to you back in 2020. So could you kind of let us know where you at now as far as revenue?
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
In August, the end of August, I deposited $19,750.33 in my bank account.
That's a nice little jump, man. So first, I got two questions for you. I'm gonna start here first. First, how did you pull off like getting to that 7,300? First of all, just getting started out, and then we're gonna jump into how you went from 7,300 to where you are now.
Well, when the pandemic hit in March of 2020, I pivoted and started doing post-contamination.
Okay.
Like doing the fogging and everything.
Right.
And then it just took off after that. Then a lot of people, I was getting a lot of contracts from the third party. A lot of contractors had quit. So they just started throwing me work. Mm-hmm. And at that time, I was able to start hiring people, and I could concentrate on post-contamination. And just, God is good. It just took off after that.
That's what's up, man. So what would you like? Would you say that that's kind of your secret to getting customers? Would it be like the third party, or is it just the fact that you got into that post-contamination, or what do you say is your secret for getting customers?
Yo, lead generation.
That's what's up. For
real?
Yeah, go tell us about
it. Bell's a beast, man. Her and her team is beast.
Yeah, that's what's up, man.
I had some luck from Bart, but hands down, it's your lead generation.
That's what's up, man. I appreciate that.
I appreciate you for that.
Absolutely. And shout out Bill, man. Shout out Bill and the team, man. But look,
yes, sir.
Absolutely. So let me ask you this. So, all right. So you said that the post-contamination was like really a key for you. Yeah. Was that the same thing to get you to the 7,300, or was that what really got you from the 73 to the 19? So how did what it took to get you to 7,300, was that the same thing that took you to that next level?
Well, like I said, the post-contamination did help me take that jump.
Yeah.
Then I was just getting a lot of work at the time. And honestly, AJ, I really don't know how it just happened, to be honest with you. It's just, yeah.
All right, cool. And sometimes that's what it is too. When you just grinding, you know what I mean? You putting in that work, the opportunity is there for the ones that's hungry and ready to eat.
Right.
So yeah. I'm with you 100% on that, man. All right, cool. So let me ask you this. As far as mentally, was there anything that you had to do like mentally, or even like as far as tactics? Like, was there anything that you had to change in order to get to this new level that you're at now?
Be honest with you, mentally, I still really ain't there because it been happening so fast. Only thing I say I probably had to, I ain't think I was gonna be good at doing walkthroughs.
Yeah.
But it seemed like I became a salesman, and I think that's the biggest change.
Yeah. Okay. Could you kind of elaborate a little bit, like what are some things that you're doing now when it comes to your sales when you do your walkthrough versus you probably weren't doing before?
Basically, you just go in to just sell yourself. You have a nice shirt on, slacks, shoes, and have flyers, and just know how to talk to people. And like I said, your calculator with the proposals, I think a lot of times, I think, you know what, that's a lot of my big secret too, because a lot of people say how professional the proposals are and everything.
That's what's up. That's what's up, man. I appreciate that. All right, cool.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Absolutely. So let's talk about these systems a little bit, because I know, you talking about doing 19 grand now, like what type of systems do you have in place as far as like hiring? How are you finding good talent right now?
Actually, I looked up on that. I got some good family members and they referrals. Then I've been getting I've been doing, especially with me jumping into the residential, I've been using a lot of subcontracting. And I learned when I use some people that have their own business, they take it more serious.
So basically you did a lot of subcontracting. I think that's a huge key too, because I did the same thing, right? And it's like when you can hire somebody who looks at themselves as a boss, you know what I mean? Like they'll take themselves more seriously, therefore they have pride in their work. You know what I mean?
Right.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one of my questions was, how has the pandemic, or why didn't the pandemic, negatively affect you? But you kind of already answered that. If anything, it actually positively affects you, right?
It did.
Okay, well, I'm gonna switch my question a little bit then. So for somebody watching this that's thinking, well, I can't start the cleaning business now because, of the pandemic and because of the jab they want everybody to get, like, what advice could you give to that person in order for them to thrive the way that you did?
Just do it. Just believe in yourself. And like you said, just do
it. Yeah.
and trust in yourself. All I can say is to say, just do it.
Right. Absolutely. Now I got this one thing. I gotta find it though. Give me 1 second. I found this old comment from you. Did you let me see. It was on my video in 2016. And I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna post it on the screen so everybody can see it.
Okay.
1 second. Let me see if I can find it real quick.
You said it was in 2016. I know where I was working at then too. When I used to listen to I was listening to your videos at nighttime, cleaning buildings.
Right. All right. So here's what you put. You said, "What's up, AJ? I'm looking to buy a franchise from Jam Pro, and I'm so ready to fire my boss. How long? How long you suggest me to work my job till I become a full-fledged business owner?" So that was your question to me. So now with you having some experience in the game, I want you to kind of answer that question for yourself. Like, well, that was crazy. I'm like, wow, like to see, where you at now versus
right.
You know what I mean? That's crazy.
That
right?
was 5 years ago.
Yeah, that's man. Yep. So I'm gonna read it again. So you say, "What's up, AJ? I'm looking to buy a franchise from Jam Pro, and I'm so ready to fire my boss. How long you suggest me to work my job till I become a full-fledged business owner?" So how would you answer that question for yourself?
That's crazy. I remember when I remember right where I was at when I asked you that question. And I don't suggest nobody to quit their job when they first start. I say work it till you get enough accounts to oversee your bills, then quit your job.
Right. I want you 100% on that. And I tell everybody that, but it's like I couldn't even do it myself.
I couldn't do it either. Because you be at that, because like, especially when you have an entrepreneur spirit, it's hard to work for a boss. Like I said, because at the time, from 2012 to 14, I had a liquor store. So I had some experience of entrepreneurship. Right. And that went left, so I had to get a job again. And I was so miserable at that job. And so I was just so ready to fire my boss. But yeah, I wouldn't suggest nobody to do it, but sometimes you just be so frustrated, you just have to do it.
I'm telling you, dog. And that's what I always tell you too. It's like, really, it's your feeling, dog. You'll feel when it's time to go. If you can't do it no more, you can't do it no more. And
exactly,
if you got that hustle about you, it'll work itself out anyway.
And like I said, just that goes back to what I say, just believe in yourself and everything will work.
Yep, that's 100%, man. So, all right, so cool. What's your long-term goal for your cleaning company?
My long-term goal is, I'm getting a lot of experience with these apartment complexes now. And I've been noticing a lot of them, I want to be a one-stop shop. I want to be able to offer landscaping, power washing. I don't want to be just known as cleaning. I want to have HVAC, plumbing. I want, if they want something, they go through O'Kelly Building Maintenance. Right. That's my long-term goal.
That's what's up, man.
I plan on in the next couple of years I'm steady building business credit. And anybody want to know about this, shout out to my boy, Bo Knows Credit. Okay. And and I'm looking to acquire business in the next couple of years.
Okay, bet. So you're not looking to sell your company, you looking to buy something.
No, selling is a long term. Yeah, I want my son, I want to leave it to my son, but I don't think he's really interested in it. But right. He's starting to kind of change his mind now, I'm thinking. Absolutely. But I want to leave it in the family.
Definitely, man. That's what's up. All right, cool, man. So I got one question before we jump into this lightning round. All right. So what would you say to somebody watching this video right now, still scared to make that jump like you did 2 years ago? What kind of advice could you give to them right now?
Like I said, just do it. Trust in God. Join CBN, and they'll be okay.
Facts. Facts. No, I couldn't have said it any better. All right, cool. We're gonna jump into this lightning round, man. I'm gonna say a word or a phrase, and you just tell me the first thing that comes to mind when I say that thing.
Okay.
All right, cool. So first word is subcontracting.
Helpful.
Yeah. Okay. Cleaning business.
That's more than one word. Should have did it 10 years ago.
Yep. All right. Top 5 entrepreneurs.
Oh, I got more than probably 5. I say number 1, Jay-Z. Mm-hmm. Nas.
Okay.
Gotta say Dame.
Right.
Got Dame and John.
Okay.
Magic Johnson.
Okay.
And I say another one. I like his hustle, Rick Ross.
I like, yeah, okay, bet. That's a solid little roster right there. Mm-hmm. All right, cool. So,
all right, and me too, me.
Yourself, absolutely. Gotta put yourself up there for sure.
Right.
All right, cool, man. What's your dream vacation?
Oh, hands down, Africa.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I gotta go over there at some point.
Right.
All right. Top 5 favorite rappers.
I gotta say, I gotta go with Hove again. Jeezy. After the verses, I'm really starting like Jadakiss again.
Okay.
Rick Ross. I like Moneybag.
Okay, bet. Yeah, he one of the new ones too. That I like Moneybag. Yeah. All right, cool, man. That's what's up, man. Well, I appreciate it. You took the time out again for us. You didn't have to do it, and
I appreciate you.
Absolutely, man. So if anybody watching this video, they want to reach out to you, get in contact with you, ask you about, your man with the business credit, or ask you about how to build or anything, how can they contact you or follow your journey?
Just basically really Facebook. I really don't do the Instagram.
Yeah.
Just Facebook, Rashad the Mogul O'Kelly.
Absolutely, man. Well, y'all heard it first, man. Rashad the Mogul O'Kelly is in the building, y'all. So make sure y'all go follow him on Facebook, man. And then also join us in Clean Biz Network, man. You see, he already a member. He in there. He got a starter kit. And so if you want to get your cleaning business started, check out cleanbiznetwork.com. I'm AJ Simmons. This is Rashad O'Kelly. We appreciate y'all. We out of here. Thank you, man.
All right. Thank you, AJ.
All right.